Hello, Creator Insiders. My name is Grace and I'm the product manager on memberships gifting. We know this is a highly requested feature, so this past year we have been hard at work to make memberships gifting a reality. I'll share an overview of how the feature works, key benefits for you and your community, and learnings from our test launch in Japan, and lastly, upcoming plans. Let's get started. So, what is memberships gifting and how does it work? With memberships gifting, members can now purchase memberships for other viewers during a live stream. Members can select from a preset number of gifts, which will then be distributed to top fans of your channel who are not yet members. Top fans of the channel who are gift recipients now have the opportunity to access memberships perks for 1 month. There's one thing I would like you to remember. In order to be eligible to receive a gift, viewers must opt in. Viewers can opt in by clicking the Allow Gifts button when gift purchases are announced on live chat. So why should you use memberships gifting? There are key benefits for both you and your community. For you, memberships gifting is a great way to grow memberships. For your members, gifting is another way to support you and be recognized. For gift recipients, memberships gifting is a way for them to try out the perks for free. During the test launch, we have also seen that gifting contributes to community building, which I'll share more details on next. Since February, we have been testing memberships gifting with a small subset of creators in Japan to gather both creator and viewer feedback and further optimize the product. We have seen that viewers who receive a gift show appreciation and gratitude both in text and in other monetization options. Additionally, we have seen that many users who receive a gift and try out memberships perks decide to stay and become a paying member. After a successful test in Japan, we're excited to share that we are moving forward with rolling out the feature to additional creators and more countries in May, and expand to all eligible creators by the end of the year. We'll share more details in the description linked below. Please stay tuned.